good morning. Welcome the vlog. My name is Tagrir. I woke up a little late. It was my last day in Taif, and honestly, I'm going to miss the vibe here. The weather, the quiet mornings, and the peaceful autumn air. After breakfast, I started packing my things and getting ready to leave. I wanted to start reading A Court of Mist and Fairy, but I think it might be a little difficult for me because my English level is around B1. Still, I want to give it a try and see how much I can understand. As much as I'm happy to be going home, I know I will miss Taif and its beautiful autumn fair. Hi, it's me again. I'm back, Jidda. Okay, today I have a lot of things to do. I want to organize my stuff and set up my room. I'm going to sort my beans, paper, and make everything nice and clean. So let's get started. I'm going to assemble this and attach the pieces together. This section all about my journaling. This section is for my notebooks and print papers. This corner is all about my hobbies. Just for it. I like it details. Yes, I need this. Blue and orange. I think I need white.
What the hell?
They're my
favorite section. Two books, necklace size.
Hi, I woke up feeling a little bit down. I changed my clothes, then went to IKEA. So let's make some coffee. Then I will show you everything I got from IKEA. I bought two boxes. One for my sewing supplies. One for my crochet supplies. I love it. I like it because it's strong and sturdy.
Those are the books I chose this week. I'm excited to start reading them.